Is this function even, odd, or neither? Well, we don't know. The test for an even function is f of a negative x equals f of a positive x. We want to know if this is going to be true. That means that if you have opposite x's, the y's will be the same. Well, you could do this for a value of x of your choice. Like say you wanted to investigate what if x is 5 versus what if x is negative 5. That's an option, a little risky but fun. Now otherwise we can actually find out, what is this f of a negative x? We know what is f of x. It's right here. Okay, so again our function is negative 6x over 3x squared, take away 3. We're checking to see if this is true. F of a negative x, oh, we don't know that. We need to work that out. That means we're going to place a negative x everywhere we see x, meaning here and there. So that is a negative 6 times a negative x, and down low, 3 times a negative x squared, take away 3. If this function is even, then the left will look exactly the same as the right. Well, let's check that out. We've got a positive 6x. On the down low, when you square a negative x, it gives you a positive x squared. This is what we have on the left-hand side. The right-hand side looks like this. Now, does the left look exactly the same as the right? No. So we would say it is not an even function. Does the left look like the opposite of the right? Oh yes, it does. It does look like the opposite. So we would conclude that this is an odd function. Who knew? Now let's just say you wanted to investigate this function for a specific value of x. You could compare, what do you get with f of a negative 5 versus f of a positive 5? That's negative 6 times negative 5 over 3 times negative 5 squared, take away 3. We'll see how that compares when we plug in positive 5. That's negative 6 times 5 over 3 times 5 squared, take away 3. On the left, I do have positive 30. On the bottom, that's 25 times 3 is 75, take away 3, 72. Of course, this could be simplified, but that's not our point. On the right, we have negative 30. 3 times 5 squared is 75, take away 3, 72. Oh, you see that these are opposite y values for opposite x's. And when we have opposites, we would conclude that the function is odd.